we made it to Cairns. We stopped at GYG. What is this place to you, Olivia?
This was 2 minutes away from me, and every time my dinner was a roast and it tasted like garbage, I would go get GYG, and I'd go get their little chicken tenders, and I'd buy a Caesar salad at Woolies, and I was set for the day. So this is like my home.
I think I'll get a Caesar Cali burrito. I'm kind of excited because I'm really hungry. Oh, they're so small. Okay.
Gosh, it's just like not my favorite
I
thing.
feel like I'm filming a mukbang.
Dock, a piece of land, a piece of the ocean, so people can swim.
I asked for too much, but maybe this thing was a masterpiece till you tore it all up.
We are at Rex Lookout. Oh, the water is gorgeous now. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. We're on the drive to where we're staying in Port Douglas, and we just stopped to look at this scenic view. It's absolutely beautiful in it. It's actually scorching hot though. Very humid, isn't it? Yes, very. I think it's 34 degrees, you reckon?
Melbourne's not very humid, so it's
Yeah. We made it to our villa in Port Douglas. This is the first level. It's the kitchen, dining area. We also have a washroom here. This is where we'll come to poop. Laundry, the most important part to me. This is the kitchen. And upstairs, look above the balcony. This is Diana's room. She gets a lovely double bed. Me and Liv will be here. This is B. We have a little balcony, but I am afraid of opening this door because the spiders will come in. And then last but not least, our washroom. So that's the tour. We're gonna be here for 3-ish days today because the weather's nice. Olivia's like, we should go to the Mossman Gorge and swim for like 2 hours. So I reckon that's what we'll do to take advantage of the good weather because it's supposed to rain the entire time we're here. See you. Hi guys, we have revived ourselves. Really humid out, but excited to go and water. So we just went swimming in the Mossman Gorge. But yeah, it was a nice swim. It was very cold. I was feeling adventurous, and we swam to one of the rocks over there, and the current is pretty strong, but I still did it. So very proud. The rock was really slippery when I got to it. I was really debating if I was even gonna survive trying to get back, but I did. It was fun. And it was nice to get in some cold water because it is so humid. It feels really good. Good. There's babies. Hi.
This is like my go-to dinner.
I think I might do this mashed avocado.
What an hell.
It's no Hampton Bakery, but
It's no Hampton Bakery. Take a photo for
so we are walking around the town before we go to the Daintree cruise
because
thing.
we can't go to the Daintree because
Yeah.
it's flooded. So we're going to do the cruise instead.
Yeah.
Maybe see a crocodile.
No. It's so cute. Oh, wait till she comes back.
navigate about 25% of that.
IMX sponsored.
We are back in town to do more shopping. Hi guys, it's a new day and we will be going to the Low Isles, so kind of like the Great Barrier Reef, but not really. We will be doing that for a couple hours. I rented a GoPro this time, so I will be able to film while in the water. When I was in the Philippines, I did not have like a waterproof camera, so I couldn't really do much. I'm so hungry and I can't wait to eat after. Can you believe that? I'm more excited to eat after the experience than to do the experience. Yeah. Thank you. Diva's in her wetsuit.
Diva's in a wetsuit.
It's so pretty here and the weather is actually really nice. It's so green. We're gonna head in soon. We are going on a guided tour with our boat driver. Told us some interesting facts. There was a crocodile here a couple days ago, a baby crocodile.
That's coral right there. You can see that brown line right there. That's where the coral is growing. He had this big program going on out here where you had this big croc, say 4 meters big, and he was getting real. The main reason why we're leaving this time of the day, actually, this big boat is rocking up here. Because coral bleaches doesn't mean it's dead. Think of it as like a hibernation state.
So good. This is similar to Hampton Bakery, and that's all I can ask. Life is worth living. We're going to dinner, and we're gonna watch some toads.
A pizza place, and they do like cane toad racing.
Yeah. So we're gonna have pizza with a view. This is like our Grand Prix.
I've never seen cane toads race.
No. I look so small next to you because you're wearing platforms and I'm wearing the flattest.
In all our photos, I'm like bent. I'm like, what is this? It's
Sorry,
called,
I'm Asian. I'm naturally short.
You're both naturally like a head smaller than me. No cane racing for us. Well, do you want pizza or do you want chai? Change my flight time.
This is like literally a shopping day. This is our last time to like properly go shopping. Are you gonna make it a meal? I guess we will try it. We are in Fate. F-A-Y-T. Olivia said their jeans are really nice and everything's good quality, and so far like their tank tops are really thick, which I like personally. The Kukai victim.
Hanging up on me. Oh my god.
This car's not very good.
Did you just hang up on us?
God, John.
Where are you right now? Driving something.
Yeah, we're driving our way to noosa.
Because I saw him wear the shirt and I wanted it. I wanted a shirt with Scooby's face on it.
Scoob's already gone to bed. I just don't really want to wake him up. He gets upset.
Vanilla syrup. Should I try hazelnut? We finished our swim. It was so good, so good. I am for sure gonna get dark. Like I feel my skin burning. I'm like toasting in an oven. Do you know what? None of us brought hats. We're stupid. You good?
Yeah, I'm tired.
Yeah. Ooh, these are cute. Back in Kukai for like the 100th time. These Kukais just keep following us.
That's so cool.
Fish and chips!
And you smell an hour.
Ah, so good.
Why is this not
Hi guys! New day. We are going to the Australia Zoo. I'm very excited to see a wombat. It's a cockatoo! Look at how happy they are.
I love it. I respect it.
Wait, Olivia, let's get one together. Okay. Wait, this one's cute. Hold on. Let me get.
1, 2, 3.
slowly make his way out. This is a lot more scary than if you come flying out like 100 miles an hour. Go on, big fella. Come on. Up you go. Look at it. Oh my God. Oh, this is fun. Look at anything but that.
Low to the ground. Look at it! Oh, you're doing it.
Guys, I'm gagged. Now pat it with your other hand.
So soft.
This one's hungry. Go. You have your big bed now. She's fucking big ever. Kind of looks like you when you take a photo of it. Oh, he's warning him off. What'd you get, Diana? Braces? So good.
The sauce.
Yeah.
You didn't want to be boss anything, remember? And look what happened. You met Claire.
What a bucket is. Told him that many times. No sugar, peach, raspberry puree. How farm is a dangerous place for dogs. So I saw kangaroos and it was, pissing down rain.